Izinhlangano zomphakathi ebeziyingxenye yalenkonzo yesikhumbuzo zinxuse imindeni ukuthi ingabuyiseli okubi ngokubi.
Don't hold this against them. The same prayer that Jesus said, forgive them, for they do not know what they do. You see, unless the blood of Jesus transforms our nature, this will just escalate to a different level.
Okhulumela amaphoyisa uthi basebenza kanzima ukuze bathole abenzi bobubi.
Asipolisanga amaseko ababuza kwethu bayigijima ukwenzela ukuthi laba abenze lezi sehlakalo baboshwe.
Kulesigameko kwashona nengane eneminyaka emithathu.
When we rise up in our moral outrage and talk about shebeens and how they treat children who stay in, or 3-year-olds end up in a shebeen where they are killed, we must ask the question, do we know the conditions of life of our people? For it's easy to be outraged morally when you do not know the depth of poverty and dehumanization our people live in.
I-South African Council of Churches ithi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi abantu bakulelizwe besukume bezwakalise ilaka labo ngobugebengu.
There must be an outrage that comes from all of us. An outrage that might say we can't live for anymore in a country where criminality has run amok, where the police are caught up in fights amongst themselves, as we hear in the Madlanga Commission, when the police are busy competing with one another on how best to outflank one another.
Kubikwa ukuthi oshasibhama abathathu bahlasele kuleli hostel abafike bavulela ngenhlamvu. Abantu abaningi abaphangalele kulesi sigameko bangamalungu omndeni owodwa waseNkandla.